Welcome everyone to this video. Today I want to talk to you about a security feature built into Windows, which is Application Guard, what it is, and how to use it and set it up. Basically, this feature allows a user to open up a URL or link in a protected environment so that in the event this URL is a malicious link, it will help prevent the computer from becoming infected and also help prevent attacks from being executed. Now, before we dive into how to set it up, let me go over the system requirements. First off, it is recommended that you have a CPU that has 4 cores or more, 8 gigs of RAM, and as far as the operating system, this is only available for Windows Professional, Windows Enterprise, as well as Windows Education editions. And so basically, if you're using Windows Home Edition, this feature is not available to you. Please be aware that your CPU also must support virtualization, and most modern CPUs do. And also please be aware that virtualization must be enabled in the BIOS, and it usually is by default. But if you do run into any problems, these would be the first 2 things I would check. Make sure your CPU supports virtualization and make sure it's enabled in the BIOS. To get started, come down here to the Windows Start menu and type in Turn Windows Features On or Off. It will list this option from the control panel. Just go ahead and click on it. And it's going to open up this little window, and you'll want to scroll down until you see Microsoft Defender Application Guard. Now, if you do not see this option, continue to scroll down to the W's and look for Windows Defender Application Guard. They have changed the name, and so if you're using a different version of Windows, it will be listed under that name. But for everybody else, Microsoft Defender Application Guard, go ahead and just check the box and then click on OK. Now, you will need to restart the computer, so make sure you save everything and then go ahead and restart. Now, after a computer restart, the first thing you want to do is come down here to the Start menu again, type in Windows Security, and then just go ahead and open it up, and then click on App and Browser Control. And right here, you can confirm and verify that it is turned on. You will now see that it will say Uninstall Microsoft Defender Application Guard, and then there are options to manage the settings. If I click on this option, up here at the top, it will inform you when you browse an application guard for Microsoft Edge, certain actions are disabled, and these are those actions. And so if you need to adjust those settings, you can do so right here. Now, if I actually open up Microsoft Edge and then come up here to the top right and click on the menu, there is now an option for New Application Guard window. Now, if you do not see this option, but you have verified that it is installed and set up here, restart your computer a second time. I have had that happen where this option did not appear until a second computer restart. To use it, we just click on the option, and we can see it opens up a new window, and right here we can confirm and verify that we are using Application Guard in Microsoft Edge. And please be aware there is a difference between using this feature with Windows Professional versus Windows Enterprise. Windows Professional, you do have to come here and manually select this option and copy and paste the URL in there to use this protection. However, with the enterprise version, you can set up a whitelist of URLs or websites, and if anything gets clicked on outside of that whitelist, it will automatically open it up here in Application Guard. So it's a lot more useful and automated in enterprise, especially for businesses. Please keep that difference in mind between professional and enterprise. Now, I will post a link down in the video description to this page, which gives an overview and goes over a lot of the information I've already touched on, but there is additional information here that is useful, especially these related links. We have the system requirements, how to install, which we've already done. If you want to configure group policies or testing, that is available. And if you do want to set it up for Chrome and Firefox, please be aware you can do that. If I open this up and then scroll down, right here are the steps to do so. You have to install an extension on Chrome and Firefox and then install the Application Guard Companion and then restart your device. But please be aware that this extension will still direct you to Microsoft Edge, and it works best with Enterprise as well. So if you're using Professional, my personal opinion is it's not even worth doing this, but that will be a personal decision you will have to make. And then back here, you can set it up with Microsoft Office, FAQs, and then network settings as well. And that's just a quick overview of how to get Application Guard set up and start using it. Again, it's a very useful tool to help protect your computer against infections or attacks via URL links. But if you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.